Hello guys, so this is Win Motorsport. Okay, as you can see now, Win Motorsport Sendirian Berahan. Okay, there's a lot of accessories there, include the sports wheel, and this is their cars, their promotion cars. Okay,
Kalau masuk party akan tamat dalam 12 menit lagi.
Oh, so our cameraman now is kidding. Okay, now I want to review this car. This car is very beautiful looking. Okay, there's 18 inch of rim. Okay, TRD rim. Okay, so if you can open this car. Okay. Oh, this car is locked. Why they locked? This one is for the. This tail light is amazing. This tail light is amazing because yes, just record to. Okay, a little bit. I don't know lah. It's like the frame is outside the body. So it's very amazing. This Toyota CHR. Okay, Ringin Motorsport, BMW Motor. I don't know. So what I can give is this car is not too much of accessories. Just request. But it's okay. At least this is a car. Okay. So okay, we can see a lot of engine oil there, but there is not engine oil. There is racing motor oil. Wow. As you can see now, it's 0W. Wow, 0W20. Oh my god. That engine oil is very light. I don't know how it's still. But it's for liter is okay lah. For the 300 or 400 price, okay, that is still reasonable if we can have a racing engine oil. Guys, this is one of the car that's tuned by Toyota Gazoo. This Shopee lah. Okay, so I just want to make a review. Just want to see in this car. Okay, so this car has a good panel. Okay. Wow, the foot space. Okay. What do you feel in the car? I feel that it's very low. Okay, the seat is very low. I think it's going to be high. We need to be happy. Higher. Oh, so you can hear you. Okay. Wow. I feel it's okay. Toyota Vios. Ustaki. Can you start? Oh my god. So this is my car now because I'm sitting here, so this is my car lah. I just want to relax and open the aircon, but I cannot. Oh my god. Just open the double signal. Where the key? No, this is start. No need key, brother. No need key. But want to start the car? How to start the car? You can start the car if you know the way. Brother, you see what? Brother, I'm seeing awet. Okay, in Malaysia we call awet. Okay, we have a lot of awet. See, he's very sexy. Where? The one with green clothes, with green shirt. Oh my god, what are you kidding? Two green shirt. Wow. That one. Okay. Wow. So now we on Toyota CHR. Yes, CHR. Okay, with green color. Okay, this is not green color. This is tortoise color. Tortoise color is very attractive for me. So I think you need to buy this car because I don't know. I'm pressing the wheel pedal. Okay, because I'm very excited. I don't know what to say. Okay, the interior is very good. Very good finishing there, and very good dashboard there. Why you recording my head only? Just record this lah. And we have it's not big lah. It's matte LCD panel here. Okay, with USB if you want to hear sound, and you know, this is for the earphone or headphone lah. Okay, so the price. Okay, we will see the board. Okay.
yeah, what will it be? Sick the fuck down T-series, I'm here to spill the royalty. You tryna dethrone me for spot number one, but you India you lose, so best thing you have a one. When I through with you, we gonna be completely fucking done, cause we only just begun. I review you.
Guys, now in all new Hilux. Brother, speak louder, brother.
Yes, I know, because we have another people back there.
So this is a all new Hilux 2019. Okay, we have a modern panel here. Actually, for 4x4 truck. Okay, so we have automatic transmission here. Okay, but we have manual mode here. Okay, so yes, we have camera here. We have a camera here, and we have a very beautiful interior. Wow, this is too good for our 4x4. Actually, I admit it. Okay.
T-series nothing but a bitch. Lezarnya bitch, lezarnya bitch, lezarnya. Look at T-series just crying for your mama. Bitch, lezarnya bitch, lezarnya. T-series nothing but a bitch, lezarnya bitch.
Wow, guys, so now I'm in the all new Toyota Fortuner. Okay, as you can see now. Okay, actually I'm impressed because there's a pedestal here. There's a pedestal here. Okay, as you can see now, pedestal. As you can see now, wow.
It's like a sport car, right?
Yes, it feels like you sitting in a sport car, but a higher one. Okay. So I think the handle is not too small. Okay? It's medium size. We have a wooden looking panel here. Okay, so press like this, and it's open for you. Put 2 cup here. Okay, this cup we have holder lah on it. So this you can just pull to put another cup. Okay, this is a push start. Okay, then another function lah. I don't want to review it lah because you can see a lot of review in YouTube. Okay. So we have a leather seat here. Okay. Leather seat, sitting on animal.
Sick the fuck down T-series, I'm here to spill the royalty. You tryna dethrone me for spot number one, but you India you lose, so best thing you have a one. When I through with you, we gonna be completely fucking done, cause we only just begun. I review you. Zero by bitch gone, so come on T-series, looking hungry for some drama. Yeah, let me serve you bitch lasagna. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-series ain't nothing but a bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. Look at T-series just crying for your mama. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-series ain't nothing but a bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. T-series just practice your pizza. So who the hell is Bob and why you wanna kiss? I'm M-Blue, I sweat again while you just dump magician. You got a fifth population in the nation, but I got 9-year-olds of certification. Moto Patu, what the fuck is that even supposed to mean? Your language sounds game from a mumble and a music. No papa, yes papa, Johnny, nada of big sugar, and let's do this fucking party with some bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. And look at these little just crying for their mama. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. This is nothing but a bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. Look at these little just wet their pajama. Bitch lasagna, bitch lasagna. This is nothing but a bitch lasagna. You got a population of 1.32 billion, but most your videos can